how this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have a support for TV, guys. You can see from 14-inch till 55-inch TV. You can use this support if you want to mount on the wall or any other places in your garden, in your living room, other places. So this one is for my garden, for my outside. So I have a TV I want to put there. Look, the box, model number SOP55. A brand called Spica here. Support the TV is written in Spanish. Price not so much expensive. This one you'd pay 10 to 15 euros or dollar in this case. I have bought in Argentina, Buenos Aires. I paid 13,000 pesos, so it's cheaper in this case. In Mercado Libre I have bought here. Lovely box and looks good, and is heavy, the product, because something will hold your TV. The thing's material should be strong. If it's light quality, small thin metal is not that good. So this I think is a durable, good product. So without any further ado, I will open the box. Lovely box though, put as this so you can see properly with the light. So we'll go one by one. Here we have some screw, a set of screw you can see here. This will go to wall. I will tear apart to show you. So this will go to the wall. It will hold your stand, your support in this case, and screw, you see the big should be, I see 3 of them here. So lovely, 2 at the up, 1 at the down. You have washer at the different sides of the screw. Should be a manual on that, or you can scan to see the manual here. This is, oh, it's a good quality. I feel heavy, you see. This is thick metal. I feel heavy at my hand, you see. Can't bend easily, because if you can bend easily, that will be very cheap quality. So it's strong material. I already have felt at my hand. More here, you see. Oh my god, this is lovely. This is a level, lovely, good thinking, this one. I like this one. For these wings, you can say, 4 wings. Then what else we have more? We have this directly, and before going to that device, we'll go here. How we assemble, you see the wing side. If you have a big TV, you can use that. If you have a small TV, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put this one only 32-inch TV for my outside to my garden area in this case. So small size of TV installation. All the screw, everything is written. If you have any problem, you can scan the QR code to see more other things written. Everything is Spanish. Lovely, good. Put one side. And here is the tool, guys. You see how it is. Wow, beautiful. I feel good weight at my hand. Yeah, it moves. Is heavy, is good for till 55-inch TV. It will hold. Here the material, you see this thickness, you can see here. This is important, a good quality. Here I think is iron, steel, I don't know, most probably iron, that's why it's painted. The plastic head here, and the screws are stainless steel, so over time it will not become brown or something else. This. And the joint at the middle, you see, is a strong joint. I feel here it's moving, it's tight. You need that. Here your TV will be sit here. You have to tight different. And if you have a big size of TV, you can put this one here. Okay, you can put this one. So if you have big size of TV, you can do that. The joint look is durable, I think. Here all the screw, you can see, lovely. Wow, beautiful. So I'm gonna show you how it looks on my wall. In case if you can't tie to the screwdriver, you can use another tool. Everything look perfect. You see here 3 screws, they are tight. So this is unboxing, guys, of a TV, support of a TV 14-inch to 55-inch. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.